In this video, we're going to look at legacy files and how to remove them from the course. Well, first we're going to go under Course Management, Course Tools, and we'll look at our report for course storage. Now, in this particular course, I can see that I have about 600 megabytes of course files. Then I have some homework that was submitted by students, and I have about 500 megabytes of legacy files. These legacy files come from previous version of the course, and very often they're not accessible in the class. So this is more of a cleanup routine. You can always preview how many legacy files you have across all your courses by going to Next and then sorting by legacy files. So by clicking at the top, you can preview which files have legacy files. So this is how we are going to remove them. Let's go to the course again and scroll down to Packages and Utilities. And here we have a menu for Move Files to Course Files. Now this program is going to collect all those files that are likely not being used. They're legacy files, and it's going to select out of them ones to keep which are linked, and it'll move them to course files where they can be managed. So any that are still needed will be moved to course files. That's the idea. So we go ahead and just make the selection here, and then we'll press submit. And next time when course storage is recalculated, which is every 24 hours, the changes will be visible and the numbers are going to be different. Thank you.